Welcome to PickoCode YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to start a project in Shotcut video editor and how to export a project file as a video file and how to save it. This is just a very basic video for beginners. I have opened the Shotcut ID. I will open a video. Let me open a video from let's say this one. Okay. So this is the video I have started. The first thing you have to understand with the shortcut ID, when you start the video editing with shortcut, you may feel what are the problems actually you are coming with. How you drag, how you keep the video files, image files, MP3s, and how to load them to a timeline. Timeline means the editor timeline and the timeline. So how do we can have multiple parallel files like two videos, one video and one mp3 and so on. So I will drag multiple files here. Let's say this one, that's a jpg. Okay, and any mp3. Okay, there is one. Okay, so you can see there are one video file, image file and mp3 file. I'm going to uh, concat all those three together and create a video file. Let's say this is the timeline in your ID. So you can there is a two tabs, keyframes and timeline. Just use timeline. So you have to drag it here. Very first it will identify as a video track and it will add it. Or else the better way is to like this. Better way is click on the plus button and add it, or else I will remove it again. Right click on it, add video track. Okay, then drag the video file you want to copy. This is the video output at the final you are getting it. So you can see video is playing. If you want to hide the video, let's say you only need the mp3, the voice of the video, then you can hide it. Then let's play it like this. If you want only to hide, mute it and only to show the video. You can see it now. Okay, good. So now I may need to split this, and I will split this right here. I will split. I'll remove this one. Okay, cool. So my video ends up at, let's say, 15 seconds. Now it is like this. Okay, let me change this to 10 seconds because when we export it will take few times then. Okay, so I will need to add this image as well. If you need to add this image, this one, let's say you want to add it at the end of the video, then you can say like this. This effect I will explain in another video later, but I just need to show how to export. So if I run it from here, there is slightly moving animation and then image comes up. Okay, then how we add the mp3? Right click on again, add audio track, then add it here. This is too much length, and here let's say voice is not enough. Okay, so I will split here right now like this. I will remove this part. Let's say when you explain, remember you have to click on the file or track whatever you are explaining. Okay, otherwise this will not work. Then split, remove this one. Okay, then again this is too much length in the MP3 without video. We don't want it. Just remove it. Okay, so I'm going to play the video again. You can see I'll reduce the sound. This is the very basic thing. Now you know how to start a project, how to, after starting means, let's say how to add the files to the project, then after how to add them to timeline. Likewise, you can add so many things here. Add video tracks, add audio tracks, whatever thing. So you can see like this. Okay, whatever thing you can do. The more serious things I will let you know later uh, in another videos. So now I'm going to show you how to save. Just click on the save button here. It will ask where to save. Let's say it's to project. It will save in .mlt format. That is the shortcut video project format. That's not the video output like files mp4 or whatever. Now you want to export it into as a video. So click on the export. They have already provided in left hand side, you can see they have already provided some predefined formats like this. So I am going to select YouTube here under the stop. You can see YouTube. Just double click or click on it, then export file. One more thing. If you go to the advanced, you can see what is the resolution and aspect ratio, frames per second in video in as well as codec. You can change as you want. If you know better quality and better performance, all the things in video, codec and audio, you can edit you as yourself. But this is just a shortcut. It will by default set to this resolution. Once you have changed it, they will take the next time. That's as default. So I will use this as default and I will export the file. Test to mp4. Let's say. So now you can see at the right hand side topmost corner project exporting or project rendering process and the progress. You can see 57, 60, now 70 likewise. But when this project is going growing more videos and more lengthy, it will take too much time sometimes. Sometimes it may rendering for one day. It depends on your project and project length, the animations and all the things you have used. Let's try to on this and show in folder. Let's play it. See, now you know how to start export a project or a video from Shotcut. Thank you very much and subscribe my channel PickoCode for more videos like this. Thank you very much.